Positive Media channel. My name is Sreelakshmi. Today we are going to check the recipe of the very famous and delicious Dalgona coffee. So let's check the ingredients. So the ingredients for Dalgona coffee are sugar, instant coffee, boiled water and boiled milk. So let's start. First we have to add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now we have to add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee powder. And 2 teaspoons of boiled water. So we have mixed it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we can see that the color of the mixture have changed and it has very thick creamy texture. Now we have to add this cream above the milk. So our Dalgona coffee is ready to serve. Now we can add instant coffee as a toppings. So our delicious Dalgona coffee is ready. Thank you.